A man and his girlfriend have been jailed for 5 years and 4 months each for child abuse that led to the death of a 22-month-old girl.
懷疑被虐待5歲女童。
一個 BB 仔喺大角咀單位身上有多處嘅瘀傷及灼傷。
3個保護兒童會職員、保良局幼兒組有人涉嫌虐兒。
Save the Children presents The Sound of Violence. To illustrate the reality that violence surrounds us, we recreated the iconic Dolby Surround Sound demo. Working with Dolby Surround Sound technicians, we replaced every sound element with hard-hitting sounds of real violence. In collaboration with acclaimed director Nick Church, we then surprised cinemagoers before every screening of his award-winning film about a young boy's struggle with family trauma, abuse, and the weight of suicidal thoughts. The Sound of Violence surprised thousands of cinemagoers across Hong Kong with a hard-hitting, fully immersive audio experience. The hijack sparked a nationwide conversation. The success of Nick Church's film further amplified its impact. The message was clear. The sound of violence is all around you. If you hear it, don't ignore it. Report it.